In Gaza, it's not only homes that are demolished. Lives are. Caterpillar D9 bulldozers, supplied to Israel via U.S. foreign military sales and up-armored locally, have been widely used in demolitions during military operations. JCB equipment has repeatedly appeared in home demolitions and Palestinian infrastructure removal, sold to Israel's Ministry of Defense through its local distributor, with on-base servicing. Volvo machinery has been used in demolitions and in construction tied to settlement infrastructure, part of a broader system of dispossession. Rights groups document HD Hyundai machinery widely used in demolitions across the occupied Palestinian territory. When bulldozers become policy, demolition becomes doctrine. Stand for justice. Stop destroying homes and the lives within them.